Don't highlight the active row manually. Instead, use this method. Select all the data, go to Conditional Formatting, and choose New Rule. Then select Use a formula to determine which cells to format, and enter this formula. Click Format to make your changes. Then hit OK. Next, right-click on the Worksheet tab, select View Code, change General to Worksheet, and write this code. Go back to Excel now to see the active row auto-highlight. The practice file to this data is available in the description. You can use it from there. Like and follow for daily tips.